Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 18th of October. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. And we saw from the UK, the CPI number missed the forecast, coming in at 2.4%. It was a little bit of a downer for the sterling. Sterling did drop yesterday as a result of the CPI data, and there's breaking news as this is coming to air on the Brexit situation. More will be revealed today on day 2 of the European summit. Okay, from the US, we had the FOMC meeting minutes released from last month's meeting. And the major news to come out of that was that all Fed members were unanimous in their vote when they voted to increase rates for last month. What this may mean is that being such a united front, there is now a chance that there could be a fourth interest rate rise coming up for December this year. Consequently, US dollar had a good day as a result of that sentiment in the market. And that was pretty much all the news for yesterday. So let us jump in and have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I have found for us this morning it's our own local Aussie US dollar on a daily timescale. Now, when we take a snapshot looking from far away, it's very, very clear that our Aussie dollar is on a downtrend. It's been coming down from the high of around about 81.20 and so far has reached a low of 70, roughly right on 70. Now, when I zoom in on this chart and have a look at the current price action right now, let's have a look at that. We can see that we have just completed an engulfing candle. So in other words, the red one is engulfing the blue one in a critical point in the trend, whereas the market's coming down, pulling back, coming down, pulling back. And to have this pattern on a pullback signifies reversal, which basically in this case would mean reversal from going up, back down, and trend continuation. So if you're the engulfing candle is a little bit more on the aggressive side. So for those of you who are a little bit more on the aggressive, this one's set, ready to go. The candle has just opened as I speak right now, so that would be a valid engulfing setup. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, what you can do is you can wait for today's candle to finish out, and let's see if it finishes out as an inside candle, and then that may give you an opportunity for Monday. So whichever way you like to take it, that is a setup. Aussie US dollar as an aggressive engulfing candle. All right, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 3:30 local data. We have our employment change and our unemployment rate numbers which are due. Also at 10:30 Governor Kuroda is scheduled to speak for the Bank of Japan. At 6:30 this evening we have from the UK retail sales, and it's also ongoing throughout the day. It's day 2 of the EU Economic Summit. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.